What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Wholesale2b dropshipping platform. Now once you go to their website, that's Wholesale2b, they offer you 1.5 million dropshipping products. So basically the dropshipping business model is where you basically list an item on your store, let's say Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other online store. However, you don't have to have the product physically. Instead, you get the product from a supplier, a third-party supplier, or a dropshipping agent, in this case, Wholesale2b. And once you get an order for this product on your store, you can go and fulfill it on this provider or this dropshipping provider, and they'll be shipping the product to your customers. So it's a pretty good way to make money. And here, if you scroll down, you see some of the integrations. You can integrate them with lots of popular e-commerce store. And you can view some of the trending products that you can add to your store. Now, if we sign up here with our email for free, here I entered my email. Let's click on free sign up. Okay, I'll enter my first name, last name, and then password, and then sign up. And here I've accessed my account. So basically I can drop ship on any of these platform here. I do have an account on Shopify, so I can link them right here. If I click on this button, it redirects me to the dropshipping Wholesale2b app on Shopify. However, for some reason, it's not compatible with my store. I'll just check on this later. If I close it, this spot here, I can see products. So you basically choose the product that you like, and you can filter them by like categories, and you can see the top trending products right here. And once you see a product that you like, let's say this charger station, you can to get full access to all the products, you need to activate a paid plan. So to activate a plan, click on it, and here you see all the plans that are available. So you basically need to select the e-commerce platform that you are on, start a free trial, and then you'll be able to view all the products. And once you do, you'll be able to list the product, and they'll be shown on your Shopify or any other online store. And here you can view the winning products. Of course, you need to unlock this page to in order to view it. And to do so, you need to sign up, as I told you. Now, however, once you sign up, of course, you need to list the product on your store in a price higher that it is available on Wholesale2b in order to make a profit. And Wholesale2b, as I told you, will handle the shipping and delivery of the item, and all you get is the profit.